Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on Learning Outcome 3 LO3, Understand the Different Forms of Industrial Property Rights. In this video, we will explore how industrial property rights shape our legal landscape. You will gain insight into key concepts, legal frameworks, and landmark cases while examining the justifications and challenges of protecting intellectual and industrial property. The Advocate case is pivotal in understanding intellectual property. It highlights how names suggesting origin can mislead consumers. The court ruled against selling products under misleading names. This case established key principles in protecting business goodwill. It underscores the importance of honest representation in trade. Passing off involves deception harming another's business. Master Diplock outlined 5 key elements. Deception must be intentional and affect business goodwill. It highlights the need for integrity in representing products. This ensures fair competition and protects consumer trust. Should states subsidize creators' rights to exclude others? This question is central to data ethics debates. Digital advancements challenge traditional intellectual property concepts. They disrupt the link between ideas and physical media. This raises questions about the adequacy of current laws. This is a main call-out for this scene. For decades, intellectual property rights faced criticism. Digital data has changed how content is shared. Critics argue that current laws are outdated. The ability to distribute content globally challenges traditional protections. This calls for a re-evaluation of intellectual property law. Material elements are limited in consumption. In contrast, scholarly content is non-competitive. This distinction affects intellectual property's legitimacy. Protecting material assets prevents disputes over appropriation. However, the same logic doesn't apply to intellectual property. Material property rights are not solely based on scarcity. Deontological arguments focus on human management of materials. Lockean claims emphasize labor investment in unclaimed items. Consequentialist views consider property rights' impact on prosperity. These arguments differ for intellectual property. Design laws protect three-dimensional and two-dimensional plans. They focus on an item's visible features. Protection requires curiosity and individuality. This law applies to industrial and handicraft products. Visibility during normal use is crucial for protection. Normative claims require support from other cases. A gap often exists between facts and values. Expressive cases lack moral weight assessments. Intellectual property security needs more than factual analysis. Determining its legitimacy involves complex evaluations. UK law protects shapes and decorations under design law. Unregistered plan rights offer automatic protection. These rights cover unique, non-standard designs. Registered designs provide higher certainty. They ensure fair rewards for creators' efforts. Unregistered plan rights last 15 years in the UK. Registered designs can be protected for 25 years. Unregistered rights require proof of intentional infringement. Registered rights do not need such proof. This makes registered designs more secure. Unregistered rights are harder to prove. They have shorter durations. Some industries prefer them for cost effectiveness. Fashion industry uses unregistered plans for quick turnover. Registered rights offer stronger protection against infringement. Digital age challenges traditional intellectual property views. Global content distribution affects protection strategies. Critics argue for updated laws. The debate continues on intellectual property's role. Digital advancements call for legal adaptations. In conclusion, understanding these rights is essential for effectively navigating legal landscapes, ensuring individuals can make informed decisions and protect their interests. Feel free to reach out on WhatsApp at 074843616888 if you have questions. Our team will be delighted to help. Thank you, and see you at the next session.